Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Astha of first semester pursuing my computer science and engineering from Sri Venkateswara College. In today's video, I will tell you about one of the most important topics of waste management, that is e-waste recycling. In today's video, we will cover about what are e-waste, list of some common e-waste items, generation and recycling of e-waste, recycling significance to the society, and conclusion. So let's get started. The first question that arises in our mind are, what are e-waste? E-waste or electronic waste is created when an electronic product is discarded after the end of its useful life. The rapid expansion of technology and the consumption driven society results in the creation of very large amount of e-waste. The growing consumption of electronic goods has led to the global e-waste problem and hazard. The rapid increase of e-waste is due to frequent new model releases and unnecessary purchases of electrical and electronic equipments. Electronic scrap components such as CPUs, it contains potentially harmful materials such as lead, cadmium, beryllium, or brominated flame retardants. Recycling and disposal of e-waste may involve significant risk to the health of the workers and their communities. So it is very important to be careful during the recycling and disposal of the e-waste. So now let's see some list of common e-waste items. Home appliances, microwaves, fans, home entertainment devices, communications and information technology device such as cell phones, smartphones, desktop computers, laptops, home entertainment devices, DVDs, Blu-ray players, stereos, televisions, electronic utilities, massage chairs, heating pads, remote controls, and so on. So now let's see the generation of e-waste. E-waste is considered as the fastest growing waste stream in the world with 44.7 million tons generated in 2016. In 2018, an estimated 50 million tons of e-waste was reported. Thus the name tsunami of e-waste was given by the UN. Society today revolves around the technology and by the constant need for the newest and the most high-tech products, we are contributing to a mass amount of e-waste. Since the invention of iPhone, cell phones have become the top source of e-waste products. Electrical waste contains hazardous materials that have adverse effect on the environment. Cell phone companies make cell phones that are made to last for a short period of time so that the customer will purchase new phones. In the United States, an estimated of 70% of the heavy metals in landfill comes from the discarded electronics. Recycling of e-waste. E-waste recycling is the process of extracting valuable materials after shredding the e-waste into tiny pieces that could be reused in a new electronic appliance. This form of source reduction, that is cycling, is similar to other forms in that it lessens the reliance on the landfills and incinerators and protects the human health and the environment by removing the harmful substance from the waste stream. It also conserves the natural resources by reducing the demand for the raw materials. Recycling is one of the fundamental parts of the waste management plan for a clean and a green environment. Recycling has a lot of direct and indirect significance for the society, and this can be grouped under the following three broad categories. First, significance. First comes the cost reduction. Resource recovery through the recycling of solid waste could be of interest to the waste management authorities as a means of reducing the waste disposal cost, and any savings in the waste management cost could be a significant incentive to the authorities to increase the coverage of service areas and improve the service level. Next comes the employment. Recycling of waste is a potential to ease the unemployment problem. Enhanced recycling activities, for example, can create an additional job market for skilled and unskilled workforce. Next comes the reduced healthcare costs. Improved health and sanitary conditions in the urban areas resulting from the indirect benefits of this waste recycling can reduce the investment in the public health program. And lastly, saving costs for other public utilities. Enhanced solid waste recycling practices will benefit the concerned public utilities through the reduced cost in cleaning the sewers and improved public safety due to the blocked sewers and narrowing of the natural water courses. The second important significance is the environmental significance. Improved environment. Recycling reduces the volume of the waste that has to be finally dumped and therefore causing the reduction in pollution at the waste disposal sites. When there is a reduction in the volume of the waste that has to be dumped because of its increased reuse, different types of pollution, that is water pollution, air or land pollution, will get abated. Natural resource conservation. Recycling of waste paper means a lower demand for wood, which means less cutting of trees and an enhanced possibility for sustainable use of the forest. The last category is social significance. People engaged in waste collection activities are normally of low social and economic standing. This is especially true with scavengers, which is evident from persisting poor quality of their living and working condition. Different groups of people engaged in waste recycling have a hierarchical social and economic status in which processors are the top of the hierarchy, followed by the dealers and wholesalers, waste buyers and waste collectors in that very order, while the scavengers are at the bottom. Although there is this social and economic hierarchy within the waste recycling business, the overall social esteem of waste recycling operators is low. A formal recycling arrangement will help in promoting the social esteem of was workers and facilitate their upward social mobility due to increased earning. In addition, the improved recycling activity will increase the economic value of the waste. So now let's see a video illustration of e-waste. So with this, we come to a conclusion now of our video. E-waste is any electrical or electronic equipment that's been discarded. This includes the working and the broken parts that are thrown in the garbage or donated to a charity. E-waste is particularly dangerous due to the toxic materials and the chemicals which are present in them. The goal of the e-waste recycling is to reduce the e-waste generated by the companies that pollutes the land and the air when dumped in the landfills. When recycled, this not only save the land but also the fresh material and the other resources. The recycling of e-waste serves a lot of useful purposes. For instance, includes protecting human and environmental health by keeping those devices out of the landfills or recovering the parts with the devices that still have value and providing manufacturers with the recycled metals that can be used to make the new products. So with this, we come to an end of the video. I hope you guys find this video informative. So please like this video. Thank you.